Welcome to Check Solution Summation series, lesson 2. Right, in the previous lesson, we deal with these two standard results. Alright, so now we are moving on to the third standard results. We are saying summation of r equals to 1 up to n of r squared is equals to 1 squared, which is 1 plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared plus n squared is equals to n over 6, n plus 1, then 2n plus 1. So in general, we are saying summation of r equals to 1 up to n of r squared is n over 6, then n plus 1, then 2n plus 1. Alright, so now let's go to the example here. Alright, so if you look here on the question, they're saying show that summation of r equals to 1 up to n of this function, our generator r squared plus 3r plus 1 is equals to n over 3, then n plus 1 times n plus b, close brackets, where a and b are constant. Hence find summation of r equals to 19 up to 40 of the function r squared plus 3r plus 1. Right, so let's go here. Right, so we noticed that in the previous lesson we said summation is distributive over addition and subtraction. So here we can split our function is r squared, 3r and 1 under the same summation from r equals to 1 up to n. Right, so here we go to the next part. So r squared here is summation from r equals to 1 up to n of r squared is equivalent to this result here. Summation of r squared from r equals to 1 up to n is equivalent to this result here. So now we can now in this one a summation of 3r, then r here is equivalent to n over 2n plus 1, right? But there's a constant 3, so we can now replace here plus 3 over 2 n, then n plus 1, then summation of a constant here is 1 times n, so it's plus 1n. Alright, so now we can now go to the next step here, right? So if you look closely here, we have n over 3, so we can factor out n over 3 here, because there's n which is common here, then there's also another n here which is common, then another n which is common here, so you can factor out n over 3. So if you factor out n over 3 on the first term here, we're going to have half times n plus 1, close brackets, open brackets, times 2n plus 1, close brackets, plus n over 2 times n plus 1 plus 3. Right. Then from there, the next thing is to simplify this bracket. Alright, so we have n over 3 outside the bracket here. Then we are going to expand this one and multiply with half. So if you expand and multiply with half, we are going to have half plus 3n over 2 plus n squared. Then also multiply with n over 2 here, so we are going to have n over 2n plus n over 2 plus 3. Then the next thing here, we are going to group the like terms here, so which is equals to n over 3, then we have n squared here, then on n, 3 over 2n plus 9 over 2n is 6n here, and then also you have half plus 9 over 2 plus 3, which is 8, then there's n over 3 outside, right? So now we need to factorize this one, so we can factorize this one. Alright, so if you factorize, we're going to have equals to n over 3, then n plus 2, then n and n plus 4. Right, so now we want to deal with this second part of hence. Alright, so let's go to the hence part here. Alright, so hence find summation of r equals to 19 up to 40. Alright, so you can see here we need to start the summation from 19 up to 40, but all the summation that we're dealing with are from 1 up to 40. Right, so you need to take note here. Summation of r equals to k up to n where k is not equals to 1 here. Alright, of a function is equals to summation of r equals to 1 up to n of that function minus summation of r equals to 1 up to k minus 1. So you can see here the function is starting at 19 here. So we are going to say summation of r equals to 19 up to 4 of this function is same as summation of r equals to 1 up to 4 of the function minus summation of r equals to 1 up to 19 minus 1 of the function. Alright, so now let's continue here. So we have established that summation of r equals to 1 up to n of r squared plus 3r plus 1 is equivalent to or is equals to n over 3 then n plus 2 close brackets times n plus 4. Right, so now we can now replace this summation on this part and also replace the summation on this part by using 4 and 19 minus 1 is 18. Right, so we are going to be using 18 and 40 here. Right, so if we put 4, so it's going to be 4 over 3 in place of n 4 plus 2 then 4 plus 3 minus 18 over 3 then 18 plus 2 close brackets then 18 plus 4. Here we are now putting 18 in the first summation, here we are putting 14. Here is 4 in this one we are putting 18. Alright, so let's simplify. Alright, so if we simplify this one, we are going to have 24,640. Then this part is going to give us 2,640. Then if we subtract, we are going to have 22,000. So summation of r equals to 19 up to 40 of r squared plus 3 squared plus 3r plus 1 is equals to 22,000.